Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we are already studied what is meant by electrical conductance of solution. Electrical conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. In this lecture, we are going to study relation between resistivity denoted by rho and conductivity denoted by K. First, what is meant by resistance, or what is the relation between resistance and length of conductor and area of cross section of the conductor. Resistance of a conductor denoted by capital R. Resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length of a conductor denoted by small l and inversely proportional to area of cross section of the conductor. Mathematically, this can be written as R is directly proportional to L upon A. If we remove proportionality sign, then we get R is equal to rho into L upon A. Here, rho is proportionality constant called as resistivity of the conductor. Here, rho is resistivity of conductor. If length is, suppose length of a conductor is 1 centimeter, if L is equal to 1 centimeter and area of cross section of the conductor is equal to 1 centimeter square. Substituting in above equation, then R is equal to rho. From this equation, we can define resistivity. Here, resistivity is the resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section of the conductor. Then from this equation, what is the value of rho? Rho is equal to R into A upon L. Then say it as equation number 1. Resistivity is equal to resistance multiplied by area of cross section of the conductor and length of the conductor. Then what is the SI unit of resistivity? SI unit of rho, that means resistivity. We know that equation for rho is equal to R into L upon A. We know that what is the unit of resistance? Unit of resistance is ohm. Then SI unit of length is meter divided by SI unit of area is meter square. 1 meter get cancelled and rho of unit is ohm meter. This is the unit of resistivity rho. Then next what is meant by conductivity. Conductivity is denoted by K and conductance is denoted by capital Z. Then for conductance of any conductor is directly proportional to area of cross section of the conductor and inversely proportional to length of the conductor. Mathematically we can write G is directly proportional to area of cross section of the conductor and length of the conductor. Here G is conductance of a electrolytic solution. We know that conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. Then if we remove proportionality sign, then G is equal to K into A upon L. Then K is equal to G into L upon A. We know that G is the conductance of electrolytic solution, which is reciprocal of resistance. By substituting this value, K is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A. Say equation number 2. If length of conductor is 1 centimeter and area of cross section of the conductor is 1 centimeter square, then substituting in this equation we get G is equal to K. G is equal to K. From this equation we can define conductivity of the electrolytic solution. Conductivity of electrolytic solution is the conductance of a solution having 1 centimeter or unit length and unit area of cross section. Then observing equation number 1, rho is equal to RA upon L and K is equal to L upon RA. Then by combining equation number 1 and 2, combining equation 1 and 2, what is the relation between equation number 1 and equation number 2? Here rho is equal to RA upon L and here K is equal to L upon RA. That means relation between resistivity and conductivity is the reciprocal. Therefore rho is equal to 1 upon K. This is the relation between resistivity and conductivity. What is relation? Resistivity is the reciprocal of conductivity. Then next point is units of resistivity and conductivity. Units of resistivity, that means rho. We know that rho is equal to R into A upon L. We know that what is the unit of resistance? Resistance, ohm. Unit of area, meter square, unit of length, meter, meter get cancel, remaining is ohm meter. Unit of resistivity is the ohm meter. Then unit of conductivity, that means K. We know that K is equal to 1 upon R into L upon RA. Here we know that unit of resistance is ohm, unit of length meter divided by unit of area, meter square, meter get cancel, then this unit becomes ohm inverse and meter inverse. This is the unit of K, and we know that relation between Siemens, 1 Siemens is equal to 1 ohm inverse. By substituting in this unit becomes Siemens per meter. This is the unit of conductivity. It is SI unit of conductivity. Then another common units for both resistivity and conductivity. If length of a conductor is measured in centimeter and area also measured in centimeter, then this unit becomes ohm centimeter. And unit of conductivity in common unit, if length and area measured in centimeter, then this unit becomes ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Or here Siemens per centimeter. These are the common units of resistivity and conductivity. Then molar conductivity. It is denoted by capital lambda. Molar conductivity is denoted by capital lambda. Then what is meant by molar conductivity? Only electrolytic conductivity is not suitable for comparing conductivities of different solution. We know that conductivity of solution depends on number of ions present in unit volume of solution. Solution of higher concentration contain more number of ions and exhibit higher conductivity than solution with lower concentration. Therefore, to compare conductivities of different solution having same concentration. Therefore, to compare conductivities of different solution having same concentration, molar conductivity term was introduced. That molar conductivity is denoted by capital lambda. Then molar conductivity is equal to K upon C, where capital lambda is the molar conductivity, K is the conductivity and C is the concentration of solution. defined as it is the conductivity of electrolytic solution divided by molar concentration of solution. By this formula we can calculate molar conductivity of solution. Then what is the SI unit of molar conductivity? We know that unit of conductivity is Siemens per meter. Unit of molar conductivity, unit of capital lambda, unit of conductivity in SI system is Siemens per meter divided by concentration. SI unit of concentration is mole per meter cube. Mole per meter cube. Then 1 meter per meter and per meter get cancel. Remaining is Siemens meter square per mole. This is the SI unit of molar conductivity. This unit can be converted into another common unit. We know that 1 Siemens is equal to 1 ohm inverse. Therefore, here Siemens is replaced by ohm inverse. Another unit is ohm inverse meter square per mole, or if meter square is replaced by centimeter square, then another unit is ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. This is the common unit of molar conductivity.